Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Both of my kids go to local state secondary schools, and if there's one thing that they're guaranteed to complain about, it's cover teachers. Sometimes their normal teachers are off sick or they're away for whatever reason, and they get lumbered with a cover teacher. Sometimes it will be someone who's not even a subject specialist. So yesterday my son came home from school. I asked him how his day had been, and he started complaining because maths, which is his favourite subject, had been given a cover teacher. I asked how that had been, and he told me, well, you could tell that he wasn't on top of the subject. He obviously hadn't really prepared, and he was basically just winging it. We often talk about winging it when we have to do something difficult that we haven't had time to practice or prepare, such as teach a class, or give a speech, or give a presentation. So maybe, like me sometimes, you might find that you've actually prepared for something, but then, before you go on stage to do your talk or your presentation, you lose your notes and you panic and you think, oh God, where are my notes? I can't find them anywhere. I'm just going to have to go and wing it. I'm just going to have to wing it. Maybe you go to a wedding or some kind of party or something and you're asked to stand up and say a few words. And you might begin by saying, I had no idea I was going to be invited to speak at this particularly lovely event, and I don't have anything prepared, so you'll have to bear with me because I'm just going to have to wing it. Sometimes when I'm talking to my own kids about presentations they have to do at school, I try to drill into them the importance of making sure you're ready. You know, a really good presentation, it might look like you haven't prepared it at all, but that's down to the fact that you've really prepared the hell out of it. So I'll often tell them, listen, you've got to write it out, you've got to practice it, you've got to rehearse it. You can't just go in and wing it. You'll get found out that way. It's not good. And maybe, just to finish on a more philosophical note, maybe in a deeper sense, all of us in life are just winging it. Maybe we're all just making it up as we go along. None of us have really had a chance to prepare and practice and rehearse for what's to come ahead of us. Maybe adulthood is just one big long process of winging it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use winging it.